How to make anchor navigation links with WordPress, quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can create a anchor link on your WordPress website. So let's get into it. Now, what does a anchor link mean? Well, if I open up a WordPress website, and you can see at the bottom of my homepage, I have this testimonials section. So if I open up the site and I go into the menu section over here, I want to be able to put in a menu item that says testimonials, and whenever someone clicks on that testimonials icon, they should be led directly to the home page and to the bottom of the home page. So that is a navigation anchor link, and that is what we are going to be adding today. So to get started, just head on over to your WordPress dashboard, and the first thing you're going to do is click on pages on the left side of your screen over here. Once you do that, you're going to click on add new. Now, we're not actually going to be adding a page, we're just going to be adding a simple little item. So what you can do from over here, you can simply just go into your WordPress website editor. So if you open up your website and click on edit page, and don't edit this with Elementor if you have the free version of Elementor, just go continue with your actual WordPress editor and you can edit the menu section of your website. So we're just gonna go on ahead and open up our site, and we will click on new. You can click on edit page, or instead you can actually just click on customize over here. And because I have not verified this website yet, it is showing up as the unsafe site. So we're just going to open this section up from over here. And now you can click on your menu section over here, and we have our menu. So you're going to click on menu. In my menu, you can see I have homepage, shop, more about us, and then we're going to click on add items. Now in the add items section, what I'm going to do, I'm not actually adding a new page, so you're not going to add a page, you're simply going to add a custom link. So you can add the link text and then you can add the URL. But you might be wondering, how do I enter a URL in this section? Well, for that, all you need to do is open up your WordPress website, and you will simply click on edit page and edit it with Elementor this time. So for this, we're going to click on edit with Elementor. And what you're going to do is you're going to go into the bottom of your page. So we're going to go to the bottom. This is the section we want to hyperlink. So we will click on edit over here. Once you click on edit, you're going to go into the advanced section. Simply going to click on the layout, and in your layout, you have your CSS ID. So this is the CSS ID, and you will just copy this. You can enter any CSS ID you want. I have added testimonial as the CSS ID. You can enter any CSS ID you want. Now in the custom links, what you're going to do is, first off, you're just going to copy and paste the exact link that you have for your WordPress website, and then enter /hashtag whatever the custom CSS ID it was, and then you're going to enter your link test, and we're going to click on add to menu. And once this item has been added, we're just going to click on publish. And once it has been published, you can go on ahead and visit your site to see how it is functioning. So if we click on testimonials, it leads us directly to the bottom of the page. So even if I'm on the shop page, so if I click on the shop page, now you can see I'm on the shop page, it's showing me the ring, it's showing me, my product. And if I click on testimonials, it's directly going to the bottom of the home page. Now, because this page is very short, you can't really see it go down to the bottom, but if you have longer pages, you can actually see the entire scroll, and it is going to go directly to the section of your website that you tagged. And this way you can link or hyperlink or create a custom navigation anchor without having to use any kind of plugins, directly using your WordPress website. It's rather simple, and a lot of people get confused about it, but I tried to break it down for you as simply as possible. So just so it's a little easier for you guys to understand, simply click on edit with Elementor. Okay, go into the page that you want to link to the menu. Let's say I'm featuring my ring. The emerald ring is like a featured product, and I want it to appear on the menu section, and I want people, wherever they are browsing my website from, whatever page they are on, to be able to click that menu item and be led directly to the shop page. So for that, what I'm going to do is I can just go into the shop page. So I'm just going to open the shop page instead of this, and then add a custom CSS code to that specific item. You can enter that code for any item. So if I want to hyperlink this section, I can click on edit. Then you're going to go into advanced, and you have your CSS ID. So enter any CSS ID that you want. Just It could be anything. You can enter one, two, three, whatever you want, but it's going to be different for each item that you're linking. And then just go into the pages section. And when you click on new, just go into your WordPress website editor. And when you enter your menu editor, you're simply going to enter a custom link and you're going to name it whatever you want. Whatever is the name of your section, you can enter that. So it's very easy and very simple. Now, there are a bunch of plugins that use this feature. You can have menu anchor plugins as well, but that is just a unnecessary plugin that really is not required. It's easy to do this with your own WordPress tools, and it's just a very simple hyperlink. You don't have to install a plugin or buy a plugin. I see a lot of people hiring people or buying plugins for this, which is unnecessary. Just follow these steps and you can link any kind of product, image, text section, whatever kind of widget or section it is in your website. You can easily link that without having to, use any paid tools. Now, there are a bunch of other different plugins that I do recommend for your WordPress website. Now, a lot of those plugins are super necessary now for you to be able to function. For most e-commerce users, I recommend WooCommerce because it is one of the simplest ways that you can set up your store. Plus, I do recommend that you add your bulk order forms as well if you're a larger business that receives bulk orders. Plus, you can also add a My POS checkout as well. That will enable you to have a point of sale checkout as well. You also have some other WooCommerce integrations like WooCommerce payments, shipping, and tax that can automatically calculate your sales tax, your label printing, and just have a more smoother e-commerce experience as well. So these are the kinds of plugins that I do find are necessary for any WordPress websites. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.